Are you looking for the best 3D printer for cosplay? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer for cosplay on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Anycubic Kobra Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra Max 3D Printer stands out with its impressive features designed to enhance the user experience and improve printing efficiency. One notable feature is its large build volume of 17.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches. 450 by 400 by 400 millimeters, providing ample space for daily and household 3D printing projects. The printer incorporates Anycubic's self-developed leveling function, a 25-point smart and precise calibration system that automatically compensates for heated bed unevenness. This advanced leveling technology simplifies the printing process, allowing users to achieve optimal results with just a single button operation. Number 2. FlashForge 3D Printer. The FlashForge 3D Printer, specifically the Finder 3 model, boasts significant improvements over its predecessor. Notably, it offers a larger build volume, increased by a substantial 270% compared to Finder 2. This enhancement contributes to a higher success rate for achieving a flawless first layer, expanding compatibility, and widening the range of applications. The printer is equipped with a high-temperature nozzle reaching up to 260 AF, ensuring excellent filament compatibility. This versatility allows for the 3D printing of various materials such as PLA, ABS, HIPS, PET, PET-PRO, TPU95A, and more. With its capability to handle a wide range of filaments, users can explore diverse printing possibilities. Number 3. Anycubic Resin 3D Printer. The Anycubic Resin 3D Printer, specifically the Photon Mono 2, is an entry-level 3D printer designed to cater to the needs of enthusiasts and hobbyists. One of its standout features is the 6.6-inch monochrome LCD screen with a high resolution of 4096 x 2560, showcasing intricate details in character figures and miniatures. The screen protector has been upgraded to prevent damage caused by resin leakage. Compared to its predecessor, the Photon Mono 2 boasts an increased print volume by 20%, providing a larger actual printing area of 6.49 x 5.62 x 3.5 HWD. This enhancement aims to accommodate a variety of printing needs for users. The light turbo matrix technology has been upgraded to ensure stable and uniform parallel light sources, effectively reducing layer lines and grid patterns. As a result, the printed models exhibit smoother surfaces with enhanced detail expression. Number 4. Artillery Sidewinder X2 3D Printer. The Artillery Sidewinder X2 3D Printer is a cutting-edge device equipped with features that enhance its performance and user experience. One standout feature is the direct drive extruder, featuring the advanced Titan extruder. This technology addresses common issues like filament clogging and uneven extrusion, ensuring high-precision printing. With a maximum printing speed of 150 mm per second, the Sidewinder X2 excels in high-efficiency printing. The printer boasts a dual Z-axis synchronization system, employing a double screw drive for the X-axis, guaranteeing parallel movement to the lattice glass build platform. This design significantly improves printing quality. Automatic leveling is another highlight of the Sidewinder X2. The intelligent auto bed leveling design allows for automatic adjustment of the hotbed before printing. Additionally, the hotbed can be heated to 110 degrees C within just 2 minutes, facilitating quick and efficient printing processes.